Vendetta leans against a glass railing, overlooking her team. Her mind drifts to 2015, when 3VC was just a spark in a library conference room. The world was drowning in used vehicles. 1940s Ford Model Ts, 2010s Toyota Camrys, even Yamaha Wave Runners rusting in docks, she recalls, her voice a low growl. I saw a chance to give them new life with power vehicle units, tech upgrades, and body repairs, meeting U.S. certified pre-owned standards. But the real game changer? Letting Global South partners pick exactly what they need. She gestures to a screen displaying the Vehicle Request Order Catalog, a sleek interface where nations like Ethiopia, Bolivia, or Indonesia can browse vehicles, filter by make, model, year and type, residential, commercial, aquatic, recreational, and place orders tied to commodity trades like coffee, copper, or rice. This catalog, Vendetta says, is their voice in our trade network. Vendetta strides to a workstation where a developer is tweaking the catalog's front end. Back in 2016, we dreamed of building this from scratch, Vendetta says, pulling up a Replit project on her screen. Node.js backend, SQLite database, and a React-based frontend for the website and app. International partners log in, see vehicles located by our domestic partners, they submit requests with their commodity offers, and the requested vehicles are fulfilled by eventually being sent to our mechanic shops. Vendetta nods, recalling sleepless nights structuring the business plan. We wanted it simple, but powerful, she says. A fisherman in Indonesia could filter for aquatic Yamaha 2015 Plus, see a Wave Runner with PVU upgrades, and offer 5 tons of rice. A Bolivian miner could request a 1945 Jeep CJ2A for copper, specifying commercial 4-wheel drive. The catalog links their needs to our possible supply, with every vehicle traceable by a vehicle ID. A developer clicks through the catalog's UI, showing a grid of vehicles, a 2018 Honda Civic, a 1965 Ford F100, a 2021 Yamaha Wave Runner. Filters let users sort by condition, approximate mileage, or origin, while a form captures trade details. Vendetta states, "Let's walk through a request." A cooperative's rep logs in with a secure JWT token, their dashboard showing their trade history, which could be 2 2020 Toyota Land Cruisers delivered last year for 20 tons of beans. The cooperative rep navigates to the catalog, filtering for commercial Toyota 2018 Plus 4-wheel drive. A 2021 Tacoma appears. Its vehicle ID, VID 789456123, linking to SOPs for PVU battery installation, GPS upgrades, and body refurbishment. The cooperative enters an offer, 15 tons of coffee, harvest ready by September. He uploads a PDF of their commodity certificate via Multer, clicks Submit, and gets a confirmation. REQ 6543211987 received, awaiting 3VC approval. This is what sets us apart, Vendetta says. The cooperative rep doesn't just browse, they build a deal tailored to their community's needs, knowing the U.S. Navy will deliver. The developer dives into the back end. The catalog's powered by a SQLite database, she explains, showing a schema. When the cooperative rep submits REQ 6543211987, the developer says, it hits our /submit request endpoint. Node.js validates the commodity offer against market data, checks vehicle availability, and stores the request. Mechanics see approved requests in their logistics tracking tab, assigning vehicle IDs to start upgrades. Vendetta adds, the catalog syncs with our SOP installation system. Once the cooperative rep's Tacoma is approved, mechanics at a partnered mechanic shop like in Detroit follow SOPs to upgrade it, logging every step. The vehicle ID ties it all together, catalog request, upgrades, and shipping. A security lead chimes in from a corner desk. Global partners trust us because the catalog's locked down, he says. Partners register via an international partnership contract verified by 3 VC admins. We use bcrypt for passwords, JWT for sessions, and HTTPS for all API calls. Each partner sees only their requests. Ethiopia can't peek at Bolivia's copper trades. He pulls up a login flow. The cooperative rep's credentials hit /login partner, returning a token. Their dashboard filters requests by their partner ID. Mechanics, verified as 3 VC partners, can't access partner data. They only see vehicle IDs for upgrades and logistics. Vendetta smirks. Trust is our currency. The catalog's transparency seals the deal. A logistics manager joins the conversation, her tablet showing a real-time map. The catalog doesn't end with a request, she says. Once the cooperative rep's Tacoma is approved, mechanics assign VID 789456123 and log it as @shop in our logistics tracking tab. They update status as it moves to Norfolk Naval Station, then in transit on a Navy ship to Mombasa. She taps the map, a Leaflet.js interface showing a marker for VID 789456123 at a Detroit shop. Our real-time mapping system, tied to the catalog, lets the cooperative rep track their vehicle live. GPS data streams via WebSocket, showing at Naval and Marine Base next week, then delivered in Kenya by July 20th. Vendetta nods. The catalog starts the journey, logistics and mapping close it. Vendetta paces, reflecting on hurdles. We added strict filters and required commodity details to streamline matching. Connectivity was another issue. Some partners in remote areas struggled with the app. A developer jumps in. We optimized for low bandwidth, caching vehicle data offline. We also built a replit prototype to test updates, like adding a suggested vehicles feature based on commodity value. The developer shows a mock-up. A Bolivian miner offers 10 tons of copper, and the catalog suggests a 2019 Ram 2500 or a 1960s Chevy C10. Vendetta grins. We turned chaos into precision.